In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Adobe Sign swiftly and efficiently. Whether you're a new user or someone who needs a quick refresher, this video will guide you step by step through the process to ensure you can access your Adobe products and services without a hitch. The first thing you want to do is access a web browser. Now, this could be any browser you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just use the one that you usually prefer and find most reliable. It's always good to make sure your browser is up to date as well, to avoid any compatibility issues that might interfere with the process. Once you've launched your browser, the next step is to navigate to the Adobe Sign public login page. You can do this most simply by entering the URL directly into the address bar. The URL you'll need is https://adobesign.com/public/login. Just type it in and hit enter. This will take you directly to the login page where you can begin the sign-in process. When you reach this page, you'll have different options to proceed, especially if you created your Adobe account through a social media platform like Google or Facebook. If that's the case for you, Adobe makes it super straightforward. Just look for the corresponding button on the login page that matches the social account you used to set up your Adobe account. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will redirect you to a secure prompt where you can authenticate using your social media credentials. It's a handy feature that saves you from managing multiple passwords and usernames. Upon successfully logging in, you're officially signed in to Adobe Sign. From here, you'll be able to access a range of Adobe products and services, as well as your cloud storage, which is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. It's a powerhouse of tools that allow for seamless creative and professional work. One tip before we wrap up. If you're going to use Adobe products frequently, consider bookmarking the Adobe Sign login page or even setting it as a home page. This way, you can access it even quicker next time, making the entire process even smoother. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to sign in to Adobe Sign. By following these simple steps, you ensure access to your Adobe tools with ease and efficiency. Whether for creative projects, professional work, or personal use, Adobe Sign makes managing your documents and projects straightforward so you can focus on what truly matters. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to leave a comment, and we'll be glad to assist. Happy creating!